Hi everyone, my name is Kanika Kush, and this video comes as a response to the request that a lot of you have made to make a video like this. And the reason for the people who don't know who I am or what I do, the reason is not because I'm a nutritionist or I'm a physical instructor or I'm the fittest person on the planet. No, the reason is that I've been putting myself out there quite openly for everybody to see my journey, and I've been through the highs and the lows and all of it, all the drama that we have in the journey that we call the health or the fitness journey. I'm as much part of everybody else's journey. It's just that I've been very open, and a lot of I keep doing a lot of research on my own self, and I keep learning new things and sharing. So a lot of people said, why don't you just put it in one place? So here's me putting it in one place. And how I'm going to do this is that I'm going to divide it into 6 parts. These 6 parts are also because I do have a background in psychology and in counseling, so I do understand a bit of how the mind works and how things work that are invisible. And also, I value the importance of habit formation and how can it be done. And there's a lot of data I have on myself, out of which I can actually pick up stuff and see patterns and actually help some of you who need help. So why not? So let's begin. I think first up, we'll have to define what health and fitness means to each one of us. And that we can begin in the first chapter or the first section of this video, which is the personal section. So, in the personal section, I think what I would like all of you to do who wants to take this seriously or who is struggling, with their health, and this could be men, women, both. But naturally, I'm a woman, so I can speak more on women's behalf. I have trained a few men as well, and I do understand how their minds work. So, it's kind of like a overall thing, but yes, there will be more stress on women because I'm a woman. So, it's kind of easier to understand, right? Now, let's say you want to, listen to this whole video. It'll be a good idea right now to please grab a pen and paper. Please, I can't say this enough. So, grab a pen and paper, put this on pause, and just get a pen and paper, please. Okay. So, assuming that you have got the pen and paper, the first thing you're going to write is personal. What does personal mean? Person means ourselves. Personal means anything pertaining to our person, like me. So in my case, it's Kanika Kush, right? Now you could be XYZ, whoever you are watching. What are you going to write in the personal section? You will write things like, and okay, before anything else, you have to be absolutely true to yourself. Otherwise, your body is listening, and so is your mind. So when they are listening and you're lying, so then they are also laughing away. They're like, yeah, go on. तू झूठ बोल, तू बाहर झूठ बोल, and हम नहीं कुछ करेंगे फिर अंदर. That's just plain and simple. That's how it works. So you will have to be as true जो आपको पता है कि okay, yeah, this is me being true to yourself. That's what you'll have to be, number one. Now, how do you begin in the personal section? You begin by first writing a few things like, number one, what are your tastes? Okay, that is the number one, because देखो यार, to kind of just take in food as nutrition, then very well we could just be taking in pills. It's not possible. Maybe one day it will be, but that day has not come yet. We are surrounded with food, and that too, like in like 10 minutes food arrives. So maybe that battle for later. So for now, maybe you just want to write in the personal section what your tastes are. And by tastes, I mean, what is it that makes you very happy? Like you really like that. Okay, so for me, it's cakes. It just is. And right now, don't worry about it. Ki, oh, I like dahi balla, I like chaat, or I like sushi, or I like Chinese food, or I like whatever, rajma chawal, or you like cheese, or you like burgers, or you like junk food. It's all good, because we have to start from somewhere. You need to get to know yourself, even in the realm of fitness and in health. So once you write that down, the next thing that you're going to go to, once you've written that these are the foods that I like, the next thing you want to write is very seriously that how many times in the day or in the week do you really like having them? Okay. And then number three would be how much. And देखो, observe yourself. Don't start from today. First observe yourself for the first 1 week. Okay, that okay, in a week actually मेरा craving इतनी बार आता है. That's another thing you have to write. Cravings. What cravings do you have? When do you have those cravings? See, this is all very personal to you. It's extremely personal. Just kind of generalizing for women that, when they have their PMS, they crave sweet is a generalization. Just look, generalizations are also important because, well, there are too many people in the world and everybody and everything can't be customized. I mean, बहुत बैंड बच जाएगा लोगों का. Plus, it'll cost a lot of money, and I don't think people have that much money to get their stuff customized unless you're like crorepati, like multi-billionaire, whatever, right? So the best way to do this is do it yourself. So write that down. So just summarizing the whole thing, you're going to write what are your tastes, okay? What makes you happy, how much of it, how many times in a week, stuff like that. That you've written in your personal history. That is going to be the first thing. And add anything else. Anything else. I love eating out. I love alcohol. I like this. I like this with alcohol. Or, this is what I like eating after dinner. This is what I like eating first thing in the morning. I don't like this fruit. I like this fruit very much. I like this drink. I like those chips. Whatever it is, write it down. Okay. Now we move to the next section, which is history. History. What are we going to do without history, right? Yeah, history is something that I realized a few years ago. So a little bit about myself for those of you who don't know who I am and probably are watching the video for the first time. I've been on my health journey for a very, very long time. Very, very long time now. I would say almost 25 years. I'm 43 years old right now. So utna hi time ho gaya hoga, and it's only in the past 3-4 years, or actually speaking 2 years, that something has changed, where there's love that has entered. But वहाँ आने के लिए मैंने काफ़ी गलतियाँ भी की हैं, and not that I will change any of that, because if I didn't make those mistakes I wouldn't have come here. But does that mean everybody has to go through them? No, not really. Some of you, I'm sure, can learn from others' mistakes, right? So let's hope for that. So one of the things that I learned was that history plays a very important part. What do I mean by history? Again, I hope you have your pens and papers with you, because history mein what you're going to write is the following. You will check out your entire family history. Okay, so I'm not being a doctor here, I'm just being an educated human being. Okay, now let's say in your household there is diabetes present, okay, or there's another household, or maybe it's present on your mother's side, and on your father's side there is stuff like high BP, or a tendency to for strokes and things like that. That's your history. You have to write it down, right? And one thing that I've noticed is, if you're a woman, check your mother's history. If you're a man, check your father's history. We all end up looking like our parents. I mean, I've observed this. This is a personal observation I've made, that the way your mother looks is pretty much how you're going to be looking, and the way your father looks is pretty much how you're going to be looking. Not very far away. You're not going to digress too much from there. So that's a good idea to write it down, so that you already know your limitations. Look, I'm not saying you can't cross them, no, but आपको पहले से अगर पता होगा ना that okay, my body and my genes are predisposed to such and such things, then at least some things you will give a little more bhav to, and the others you will just let go. For example, in my family, I have, let's say, X things, but I don't have Y. I will then focus on the X, right? That okay, ये ज़्यादा prevalent है. That's basic science. So unless suddenly I want new diseases, वो मेरे से start होगा. But what is already handed down to me, okay, unfortunately, those I need to make a note of. That okay, this X thing runs in my entire family from mom and dad's side, so I have to be a little careful. Now, what things cause these things? Then do your research. For example, let's say if it's high BP or something, what causes high BP? So we know that stress is the biggest factor, anger is the next factor, and then a lot of types of foods and what you're doing. Do that research. Do that for yourself. So you'll know, okay, these are the things I want to stay away from. That's what little historical background helps you with. So we did personal, and then comes the historical background. And try and be as expansive as possible. Like look at both your father, your mother, everything. The next thing in the historical is go back to your childhood. That's another thing. When you go back to your childhood and see, आप क्या खाते थे, आप क्या खा के बड़े हुए हो, and here again, very important is, आप जब बचपन में थे, were you decently healthy or were you super unhealthy? If you were super unhealthy, then again, that is something you need to consider and maybe knock off a few things from there, because for whatever reasons, that diet or that environment did not suit your body. But let's say you were overall a healthy kid, तो आप क्या खा रहे थे उस टाइम पे? दैट इज कॉल्ड जेनेटिक हिस्ट्री एंड योर चाइल्डहुड हिस्ट्री. पता है वो वहाँ से बहुत ज़्यादा डाइग्रेस नहीं होता है. सो लेट्स से बचपन में आप सुबह उठ के लेट्स से अंडे खाते थे, दोपहर को दाल चावल सब्जी खाते थे, रात को सैंडविच खाते थे, व्हाटएवर, ओके. it may not be that important to completely deviate from that. Of course, with age and with today's environment and the fact that so much is also at play, like things like pollution, things like the air we breathe, the water we have, the amount of sugar we are having, the impure foods we are having, all of that combined, agreed. But definitely keep your pulse on your own history as a child so that you remember, yeah, it helped me then. My genes remember it. There is memory hoti hai body mein. Even your body remembers, okay? It may help you. So don't immediately move to a completely different diet from जो आप बचपन में खाते थे. I have done this, and now I'm back to originally what I used to eat with a little intelligence put in it. So this is a very, very important point. Moving on to the next point, psychological factors. This part could really go on and on because psychology is not something that is permanent. It goes on changing with the with the environment that we are exposed to. How are we reacting? Your personal psychology envelops pretty much everything, and honestly all of it is all a mix, right? Your body, your mental health, psychological health, your emotional health, physical health, spiritual health, all of it is combined. So but why do I want to include this? I want to include this because again, there's an assumption here that you know yourself pretty well, right? Uske liye bhi, I mean, I'm telling you, I have data. I have stuff on my own self that, okay, I react like this to that. My anger comes out like this. My resentment comes out like this. So my stress comes out like this. When I'm stressed around this time, then this happens. So I've done all that on myself. And that's what is helping me. That's what I'm trying to share with you. Okay. So let's say you've never done any of this and you don't have data, then today is a good time and good day, provided you still have that pen and paper that I spoke about, to write the following. When are you psychologically affected the most? And when I say psychologically affected, I'm obviously talking about you being upset. Okay. And look, अब इसमें अगर स्पिरिचुअलिटी घुसाओगे तो ऑब्वियसली बोलेंगे सब, एंड इवन आई विल, आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू दैट, वेयर यू गेट डिटैच फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग एंड यू कंटिन्यू लिविंग एंड कंटिन्यू डूइंग व्हाट यू हैव टू रिगार्डलेस ऑफ व्हाट इज अफेक्टिंग यू. एंड बिलीव मी, I've gone a notch higher in that journey and I'm very proud of it because बहुत मेहनत की है, where I will not stuff my face because I'm too angry or too happy. I will not do that anymore because I know now that everything is जो बाहर हो रहा है is all temporary. Okay. But at the same time, I'm also aware that a lot of you watching may not have started on that journey yet or not even interested to get on that journey, which is fine. We still have a body, we need to look after it, and that's the point of the video. So assuming that when you get upset or something affects you in a negative way, then you have a tendency to eat certain foods. Okay, now that is a psychological aspect. So you need to write that down. How will you do this? Go back into the recent past. Okay, by recent I would say about 3 to 4 months, या उससे पहले याद है तो why not? Or go to all the major events of your life, good, bad, ugly, all of them, and try and remember how was your relationship with food at that time and your fitness and health. If you indulge in any kind of exercise or any kind of physical activity, write that down. Very important. I'll give you an example. When there was a time, ये काफ़ी time हो गया है अभी, it's been 20 years or so, but there was a time when I would be extremely happy, I would just overeat and forget about doing physical exercise, almost as if मैं इतनी खुश हूँ तो मेरा body भी खुश है तो सब ठीक है. And शायद उस time पे चल भी जाता था because I was much younger. I was in my 20s that time, right? But that does not help anymore. By the way, that's another thing I'll come to, the age factor, but that for later. Right now, it is very important. Like today, if I'm getting super happy, that is not a cause for me to stuff my face with the whole cake. No, it's not. No, it's not. Because I'll not get into the details of it. The point is that the body, मतलब आप उसको ठूस क्यों रहे हो with sugar? Right? Because then you'll suddenly have a spike, and then again you'll go down, we get into the whole insulin, glucose wala entire dynamic. I'm not getting into it. Please go ahead and read क्या होता है जब आप एकदम से शुगर देते हो या कुछ भी देते हो, what happens and why do you spiral down and crash. So no point doing all of that. But let's say you are in a certain mood. What is your go-to then? I mean, is it alcohol? Is it sweet? Is it salty, salt-laden chips and things like that? Is it junk food? Is it namkeen? Is it chaat? What is it? Psychological, okay? only psychological. When I say psychological, means something that is affecting you. आपको stress हो रहा है. Like I indulged in stress eating this year itself, यार. I mean, I've had some life altering things in my life in the past 1 year. So I actually was introduced to the concept of stress eating this year. That अच्छा इसको stress eating बोलते हैं, you know. And I allowed myself. And you know why I allowed myself? Because utna now I trust my body, because I worked hard on my body where I know it'll help me. You know, today it'll help me. So it allowed me to go through periods of stress eating for about 1 week or 10 days, saying ठीक है कनिका, तेरा अभी दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा है and you are stressed out, so okay, go ahead, eat whatever the hell you have to. And we know, we as in the body के cells, that we know you'll get back one day, and that's when तब तक we'll support you, but then after that you have to support us. That's how I speak to myself, okay? Like the mind is talking, the heart is talking, the body is talking, वो आपस में बात करते रहते हैं, लेकिन मैं उनका ध्यान रखती हूँ, मैं बहुत ध्यान रखती हूँ, okay? So again in diaries, कि आज कौन बात कर रहा है, किससे क्या बात कर रहा है, it helps, you know, just if you can animate it, if you can personify it, it really helps. So again saying, look at what are the things that affect you in a good way, in a bad way, in a very shitty, ugly way, and what are your tendencies towards food and also towards exercise. कभी आप अपने आप को do you find yourself like अब मैं बस लेटने वाली हूँ यार, मैं खाऊंगी और लेटूंगी या लेटूंगा, you know, psychologically. I'm not talking about periods and all of that, things that थोड़ा सा out of control होते हैं या let's face it. तो ये distinction करना is very important. And one more thing to be said here is that a lot of these will move into each other, and that's all right. We are getting to know ourselves first. Only then can we help ourselves. पहले अपने आप को जानो, उसके बाद ही अपनी मदद हो सकती है. ऐसे नहीं हो बाहर externally. I don't think anybody can help you apart from giving you very generalized expertise. I know that I've been to enough people, so I'm telling you, once you know yourself, then you know what is to be done, and then you also know where to ask for help, by the way. Okay, I hope this made sense. And now we move on to the next one, which is truth and lies. This one a lot of you will relate with, and this one I think women will relate with a lot more. What are the truths you're telling yourself and what are the lies? So I think let's begin with the lies. I was at least lying to myself for the longest time. जब बीच में काफ़ी आया था ना, that let's not fat shame, let's not body shame, let's accept our bodies the way we are and all of that. So this is my, I mean, I am confessing to it, okay? I hopped on to the bandwagon, you know, that हाँ जी, body shaming नहीं करना चाहिए, I should accept my body the way it is. But it went in the wrong direction, because I realized that I started to put on weight and somehow I'm okay with it, you know? That all is okay, it's all good, it's all good. It's not good. That's my truth. See, this is my truth. I realized that I have a certain image that I would like to maintain, and I'm saying it straight up. मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता है when I look a certain way. That is my truth today, and it was my lie about 3-4 years ago, where I was like, yeah, so what? Yeah, I don't like how I look, but yeah, no, this is body shaming. I'm body shaming myself. So वो थोड़ा सा ना, it's again a little थोड़ा blurry space है, but look at yourself in the mirror and at least tell yourself the biggest truth that you want to. If you don't like the way you look, say it to yourself. Look, we will come to the love part, okay? The loving part is the accepting part. But being a mother, let me tell you something. Let's say I love my child. I mean, I love my child more than I love anybody else. But if my child, I see him going into a path of waywardness, so just because I love him so much, will I allow him to go there? No, right? That's my point. That's called love. Don't be blind, don't be delusional, and don't be stupid. Look at yourself in the mirror properly and don't attach too much. वो यार थोड़ा एज और वक्त और एफर्ट के साथ आएगा, to not attach your feelings to it. And because I did, yeah, my self-worth even today I would say, but बहुत कम हो गया यार, अभी 10 या 15% है. Can you believe it? At one time it was 200%. How I looked was how I felt, my self-worth. That okay, I put on some weight, now I'm not acceptable by anybody. वो था, अब उसका क्या है, क्या रीज़न है, वो छोड़ दो. I worked on it today, it's a 10 to 15%. And ये इसलिए भी आया होगा because I work on myself also. वो भी हो सकता है, right? It's not come overnight. So my point is, look at yourself in the mirror and very truthfully write down, okay, this needs work. Okay, I have loose skin, I have fat around my belly, I have fat here, I have fat there. Okay, I have stretch marks here which I don't like too much. Oh, my skin is like this, my skin is hanging from here. Or okay, I have wrinkles on my face, I don't like the way my legs are. पहले लिखो ये. आप जब तक एक्सेप्ट नहीं करोगे और अपने आप को झूठ बोलते रहोगे, no one should not think like this. No, go through it to get out of it. That's important. Accept it, because otherwise you are just swallowing shit and that is turning into something which is not helping you. So it's a good idea to first look at yourself with pura sachai and say, yaar, I don't like the way I look, man. I need to do something about this. Okay, then make a mental picture of where would you like to be. Now here is a very important note. As much as I believe in the fact that whatever you want to look like, and you know how people say you can manifest it, yes you can, but and a very big but here is that all you're going to do in your life? So then you're getting a little obsessed कि मेरे को मैनिफेस्ट करना है कि भैया टुडे आई एम 100 kilos and I want to get to a place where I look like this fittest person on the planet who's got like a body fat of below 15%. Boss, that's a lot of work. Now unless that's your profession, then you're fooling yourself. You are. Okay, so get real with yourself. Maybe if you're 100 kilos, maybe try to first get to an 80. So getting real with oneself is very, very important. Okay, so then you can just again go back into the history, go back into the personal bit, go back into all of that and see where do you want to be. जब भी मैं वीडियो बनाना स्टार्ट करती हूँ ना कोई शोर मचता ही है यहाँ ना आसपास. Always see, can you hear that? Anyways, so I'm going to speak a little louder now. Okay, so get real, look at yourself, write down what needs work and then start researching. एक एक करके लिखो यार मेरे गोल्स क्या क्या है. मुझे यहाँ जाना है, I want to look like this, I want a little jawline, I want my cheekbones coming out, provided that that's your bone structure. भैया आपका bone structure ही वैसा नहीं है तो वो नहीं होगा. So what's the best that you can aspire for your own body? And a very, very, very big note here is you will not look at anyone else, not even your own sibling. You cannot. Just like वो अपने दिमाग में ना ड्रिल कर दो, जैसे ये ड्रिल हो रहा है ना ऊपर, just drill into your head. That's not happening. Because then I just spoke about your personal attributes, your history, your psychology, right? तो क्या वो भी identical है क्या बाकियों के साथ? नहीं है ना? So that's it. It is very, very individualized and this is a very individualized program for your own self. Because you want to get fit and be the best version of yourself. Yeah, I hope you understood this bit. So the truth and the lies. And don't feel bad, yeah, if you say something like, I want to look like a rock star dude, I want to look like a diva. Why not? What's the harm in it? I mean, what's wrong with being a little superficial? झूठ मत बोलो अपने आप को. अपने आप की शक्ल देख के ये मत बोलो, yeah, I don't look very nice, but you know, beauty is only skin deep. Sure it is, but at the end of the day, if you can look nice, then look nice. And I'm not saying just focus on looking nice, ये अंदर से आएगा काम. But by product होगा to look nice. But tell yourself you need these things, यार. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, we need to get over that bit. So quickly summarizing the whole thing, look at yourself in the mirror. Seriously and truthfully write down all the lies you're telling yourself and all the truths you're telling yourself. So the lies will be like, and also some lies are, हाँ तो those are also related to food. हाँ तो कल ये खाया था पर ऐसे क्यों हो गया है? अरे I तो don't eat anything only. What is this? I just had that much alcohol रात को. What is this? Yeah, so yesterday I didn't eat anything at all, but you did have that chocolate bar, you know, which somehow is not there in your memory. So those are the lies you're telling yourself. Don't. Okay, get a little real, understand what calories are all about, understand the science of it, do some effort on your own self. It'll be worth it. Okay, and the other is to look at your body type and see, okay, मेरा body type ये है, then get into all that ectomorph, mesomorph, all of that. Yeah, then get into everything one by one, धीरे धीरे. It's a long process. Okay, that मेरा body type ये है, ये मेरा genetic type है, ये मेरी body composition है, all of that. And then what is the best that you can do and what are the things that you really want for yourself. Okay, moving on to the next, which is reality check. Now I'm getting to the real-time stuff that can be done. What is reality check? Let's say you want to start. Okay, first of all, if there are any ifs and buts that are coming into your head, which I see pretty much most people making, yeah, but you know, I have a job like this, but I can't do that, but I can't do this. तो पहले आप वो देख लो. First you get them into account. If you want to get somewhere, you know, there's a saying, nothing changes if nothing changes. So if you want to change, then you will have to change. It's that simple. So get real with yourself. If you really want to change, then be ready to change your habits and yourself. And वैसे भी we are changing every day anyhow, बिना हमारी इजाज़त के. तो अभी खुद भी कर लो ना, why not, right? So first thing you're going to do is, पहले तो अपने आप से पूछो, are you even ready? Or are you just watching this video just for the heck of it? You know, if you're ready and want to put in the work, then here's what you're going to do. You will get into the reality of, whenever you want to start, that day morning, you will take all your stats. You know what they are, but I will still tell you. First up is weight. Why is weight important? Because, well, that is how the gravity is pulling you, right? And कुछ भी कह लो, weight ऊपर नीचे होगा. That's like a मोटा, you know, indicator of where you are. Look, I'm 5'1". I can't be lying to myself at a 75 kilos and say that नहीं मेरा muscle mass बहुत ज़्यादा है. That's a lie. Okay, whereas I can maybe at a 65 or 66 kgs, yes, may have extremely high muscle mass and maybe मेरा fat बहुत कम हो गया है. तो इसलिए weight जो होता है is like an indicator, but it's not your end all. It is not your end all, okay, but it is still important to check what your weight is. That's number one. Next up, weight आ गया. उसके बाद आप अपने stats करोगे. Start from here. Your neck is, by the way, the first thing that tells you whether you're losing or not. Wrist also tells, but your neck. So begin with neck, shoulders, chest, waist, tummy, abdomen, hips, upper thigh, upper arm, lower arm, calves. Done. एक पूरा line में लिख दो. Understand that there are few things. For example, your neck, your wrist, your calves, यहाँ से even your lower thighs and lower arms, this bit, यहाँ से लास्ट में जाता है, ये पॉइंट्स में होते हैं. ओके, इट इज़ योर टमी, इट इज़ योर चेस्ट एंड इट्स योर वेस्ट एंड हिप्स फॉर women. These are the areas where you need to look at very closely, and I would suggest week by week. That's what I do because that keeps me closer to what I'm doing. मैं अगर 15 दिन बाद या 1 महीने बाद चेक करूंगी तो what happens is complacency. So what I feel is that oh, I have 30 days, I have 25 days, let's stuff my face with cake today or cheesecake today, कुछ नहीं होगा, you know. Whereas if I know that next Monday or next Sunday is way in time, so then I'll be like okay, ये भी नहीं करते. तो ऐसे habit बनता जाता है, ठीक है. So check आप क्या कर सकते हो, क्या नहीं कर सकते, all of that. So now you've written your weight, then you've written your all your measurements. Then please go online. There are 30,000 apps where you can quickly find out what's your body fat percentage, what's your BMI, what's your waist to hip ratio, all of those things. आपको जितना detail में घुसना है please घुसो, okay. And then also go and check the standards. What are the standards? How do they relate with health? For example, there is a study that says that men with above 34 inches waist and women above 30 inches or 32 inches waist, I think, have a higher risk for heart disease. Now let's say आपका waist 31 है और आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी है, you're chill with your body, then just get it down to 30 ना, 30 inches, you're sorted dude. Like that. तो वहाँ पे you can give yourself discounts. But for that you need to know आप क्यों कर रहे हो ये. Is it only for the vanity or the cosmetic thing, or is it actually for your health? I mean, I would hope that it is for your health and capability. Fitness का मतलब क्या है? Fitness means to be, you're fit enough to do this, you know. So just a little digression here. I have 4 professions that I do in a day, or I, you know, like undertake. I'm an artist, and apart from that, I do some, you know, hosting events here and there. I used to be a host for a podcast. I do this. I make videos like this, and then I'm a counselor, and I'm also an architect who takes up like jobs idhar udhar, and of course I'm a mother, a full-time homemaker, all of that. Now I need to be able to manage all these things na, to uske liye fitness chahiye. So I'm fit to do those things. My body is fit to do those things. Now how will my body be fit if I look after it, right? And how will I look after if this is sorted? How will this be sorted if I know myself? How will I know myself? By writing down what I do every day. So that's what I'm trying to tell you, okay? So we've written our weight, we've written our stats, we've written body fat percentage. उसके साथ में then you may want to write your goals for every week. Okay, this is fun, and this is where slowly you will start to detach all emotions. आपका self-worth, self-worth will not be related with this at all. It'll be like, oh, I'm working on my body. It'll be fun. It's like a fun thing if you want to look at it like that. And अगर अभी नहीं देख पा रहे हो, that's okay. It takes time. I am making this video, or I'm even talking about something like this after ages. इससे पहले all I used to do was okay, मेरा weight कम क्यों नहीं हो रहा, so it's okay, it's fine, okay. But if you can take it up faster, then why not, right? That was the whole idea of this. तो ये हो गया. हाँ, reality में a couple of other things will be any medical conditions that you have that disallow you from you know, getting to a certain place. So those are your limitations यार. उसमें कुछ आपको खराब फील करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. What is the best you can do with those limitations, okay? So those you will write down. Then age is a big factor, and यहाँ पे I will just include कि यार अगर आप if you are नहीं यार, please include strength training, okay? Come what may, please include strength training in your exercise routine and stretches before and after. Even if you don't do anything else, walks are important, everything else is important, but strength training is like, all I can say is that जब से I've started strength training, I feel that my mind also is getting muscular mass, like it's getting stronger. पता नहीं how it's connected, but I know that since I've started strength training, and it's been 4 years, and how it's changed. You know, पहले मेरा गोल क्या होता था, अभी मेरा गोल क्या है, and how my brain is changing, it's just amazing. So this would be one thing I would recommend to each and every person who's watching this, and of course your diet and everything, वो आप please खुद पता करो आपके लिए क्या best है. Yes, there are some general rules, but here I'm not going to tell you what they are, because I say this now to everybody. My body is different. I'm a 5'1" person, around between 60 to 63 kilos. I'm not going to be telling you. You may be 5 feet, you may be 6 feet. तो मैं थोड़ी ना आपको बताऊंगी कि यार ये होना चाहिए वो होना चाहिए. No. Please find that out on your own, and that's your job to find out on your own. So please do that. Okay. And so I said medical conditions, age, your stats, your weight, and medical checkup. You have to get your medical checkup every 3 months. I do. I get my regular medical checkups every 3 months to see अच्छा ये सब ठीक चल रहा है, ये किडनी ठीक है, लिवर ठीक है, ब्लड ठीक है, हीमोग्लोबिन ठीक है, आयरन ठीक है, डेफिशिएंसी किस चीज़ की हो रही है, यहाँ पे क्या करना है, उससे भी पता चलता है कि ओह इसलिए प्लेटो हुआ था मेरा वेट. So like this, get to know yourself inside out. Okay. And the last bit is a tiny program that week by week I will help you with. This bit is called Let's Get Real. Now I'm assuming that यहाँ तक जो देख रहे हैं, they really have their pen and paper and have been noting down everything and really want to make a change because they're tired. So here's what you're going to do. Let's say today is the 1st. Okay, you are going to write down वो जो पहले वाले section में आपने लिखा है, your weight and everything else you've written, right? That this is my weight, these are my measurements, these are my medical conditions, blah 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 blah, all of that you've written down. Now you will actually make sections. Now whether you want to do it on a spreadsheet, I do it on paper and pen. It's easier because I have my whole routine in the morning that I read, write and all that. So for me a pen is always here, right here. Pen is always there with me, so it's very easy for me, right? But a lot of you will like spreadsheets. That's your own choice. आपको जहाँ जो करना है करो, ठीक है? Now you will write down week by week. Okay, so let's say today's 1st. So you literally make 4 or 5 weeks. Okay, 4 weeks, 4.5 in October, 1st to 7th, then 8th onwards. Like that you will write, and you will make subsections. Okay, so first you've written, like on top you've written your details that my weight today is so and so and my measurements are so and so. For the week, under the week section, write goal for the week. Okay, so let's say you want to lose about 200 grams. मैं वेट की बात कर रही हूँ अभी. ओके, सो लेट्स से यू वांट टू लूज 200 grams. सो देन यू राइट, सो लेट्स से यू 60 kilos एंड यू वांट टू गेट टू 59.8. सो राइट गोल 59.8, लिख दिया वो नीचे. देन राइट मे बी half an inch or quarter of an inch off from my waist. That's your goal for the week. Now how will you get there? So आप what are you eating, what are you drinking, how much will you walk, how much will you exercise. You start writing that down in tabular form, that this is my plan for the week. Okay, how many steps. Do your research that what will help me get there, what all will I eat. And then look, I have gone into the details of food items as well. To a very large extent, I'm aware today what food has how much protein, how much carbs, how much sugar, and how much fiber. Okay, so and how much fat, obviously. But I'm not going to get into that. Okay, and I don't know how many of you want to get into such details. But मोटा मोटा तो हम सबको पता ही है कि इसमें इतना ये होता है, इसमें प्रोटीन होता है. God knows whether vegan, whether you are vegetarian, non-vegetarian, vegetarian, what are you doing? You do fasts, whatever. That's your personalized program. Week by week now you will write these things, that this is my goal for this week, this is how much I'm going to eat every day, these are my timings, I'm going to try and stick to these things. And then at the end of the day, tick mark everything. Then see what worked and what did not. Now this is not a short thing that हाँ सोचा और हो गया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. You will be like, sometimes बढ़ जाएगा weight and you'll be like, ये क्या हुआ? So is it water weight जो बढ़ गया, या is it because you exercise, you suddenly started strength training and you have muscle tears, which is why you gain weight, or are your periods coming? So there are a lot of things. So you write those down as variables. ये हुआ है, अच्छा ये भी हो रहा है, this is also happening, that's also happening. So this is micro. Now 4 weeks make 1 month. Then you'll see slightly macro. 3 months make a quarter. Then in a quarter you'll see, oh, okay, this is what happened. Then I stress ate. Then that happened. Oh, then my periods came. Oh, then I was really pissed off, man. That day I didn't exercise. But that day I exercised a little too much. Oh, I didn't sleep. I didn't sleep that night. Oh, I didn't have water. I had too much water. Then धीरे you will start to see, okay, this is my body and this is how it changes. And believe me, it's a constant process. It's not like 3 months के बाद आपको कुछ समझ आया है तो वो permanent रहने वाला है. नहीं, it won't. That is why writing every day helps. So you'll know, okay, fine, this is how my body is changing. And धीरे you start getting detached from your body and just like do it because you have to. नॉट बिकॉज करना रहेगा, मेरे को यहाँ पहुँचना है, वहाँ पहुँचना है, वहाँ पहुँच भी जाओगे, बहुत आसानी से पहुँचोगे, फिर फिर गोल नहीं, फिर ये यू वॉन्ट बिरेट योर सेल्फ, दैट oh I didn't do this, मुझसे तो होता नहीं है, I can't and I'm like this. That victim mode will go, complaint whiny mode will go. You just do because that needs to be done, and then it's fun. It is fun. There is still disappointment, still you'll feel guilty, all that will happen, but the ratio and proportions will change dramatically. So I hope this helped all of you. I always make impromptu videos barring a few points that I have. So sometimes it's lagega that, there's a lot of stuff that I keep including in between. But yeah, that's me and I don't think I'm going to change that. So I hope this helped. And if it did, please comment. And yeah, all the best for your fitness journey. Cheers. Bye-bye.